So I was at Ikea the other day and I saw this chair on sale that I thought was kind of nice. The only problem is that it has this interesting safety feature which prevents the wheels from turning unless you're sitting on the chair. Now, for some people, that's a great feature, but for me, I prefer a chair that will roll around without me sitting on it. So I looked a little bit closer at these wheels, the casters of theirs, and realized that the way that they work is basically there's a spring inside this the wheel mechanism, which pushes the wheels down onto a braking system at the bottom. Whenever you sit on the chair, you basically compress the wheel down and take it off of the braking system, and then it allows the wheels to turn. Now, the easy way to defeat this safety feature is basically there's a hole down here at the bottom of the wheel. All you really have to do is buy yourself a nice metric machine screw. This one's a size M6-1-10, which basically means that it's a diameter of 6 millimeters, pitch of 1, and then 10 millimeters in length. So basically, a simple screw like this. And all you have to do is you take the screw and you put it down the hole and you just screw it down. Once you screw it down far enough and push the wheels off the locking mechanism, you pretty much have a free turning wheel at that point, and your wheels will now just go ahead and roll around as happy as can be. Whereas with the wheel that's locked, it's just gonna not turn at all. So hopefully this helps some people out there. It's a simple fix, and this little fix costs less than $2 at your local hardware store. So hopefully people find it useful.